from this dirty looking desktop right here to this clean and aesthetic looking desktop right here. I'm going to be showing you 3 steps on how to improve your desktop and make it more professional. So now let us start.
Me for somebody else. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. Just me for somebody else.
So as you can see in this desktop, we have this low resolution wallpaper with many unnecessary items and these big desktop icons. So I'm going to be transforming this into a professional looking desktop. Before we start, I would request you to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video, and also leave a comment down below on how I can improve this video and make more videos like this. Also join my Discord server, link in the description. Okay, so first of all, what you would want to do is that you would want to delete all of these unnecessary things from your desktop main screen right here. So click that and press the delete button on your keyboard. As you can see, everything has been deleted, all of the garbage, all of that. If you have any of these, you can throw them into your folders. These were important to me, but so I don't want to. I'll just throw it into my videos folder right here. If you want, you could clear up your recycle bin just to stop yourself, just to make it sure that your computer doesn't get filled with clutter. Okay, so now what you would want to do, you would want to go to view right here and click show desktop icons right here to not show. If you don't want to do that, just click this back again and then go to view and put small desktop icons. And now as you can see, they don't take up much space, but for now I'm going to keep it to not true. As you can see, it's not true. So now what you'd want to do is that you would want to center and align these things and make them smaller. So what you would want to do first, go to toolbars, links. Then you would want to unlock your taskbar if it is locked. Then you would want to go to taskbar settings right here and then use small taskbars buttons. It will normally be off, but switch it to on, then close it. Then what you would want to do, you would want to grab the link from here, just drag it until your desktop, the link comes to the other side. It takes some time, don't worry, it took me some time to just drag it, and as you can see, the desktop icons have come to the other side. So I'm going to drag it with precision right here, and then after you've centered it, click lock taskbar. Then you would want to unpin anything extra, and then you would want to redo that if you want. So I've unpinned that thing which is extra. So now we're going to be fixing this wallpaper right here. Go here, click Google Chrome and then type 4K wallpaper for laptop. Since we are using a laptop / desktop. So now find a wallpaper that fits you. You can take any of these. This is not Ultra HD, as you can see it has HD quality only. So you would want to find something with this resolution right here, 3840 multiplied by 2160. This is the resolution that you would want. And get a bigger size if you don't think that one will fit. So I will just take any of these. This is not HD at all because of its resolution, as you can see. So try and find a good one for you. I'll just take this one for now. So go there. I'm gonna name it scenery wallpaper. And after you've done that, just go here, minimize your screen, click personalize and go to browse right here. Go to browse. Just wait for it to load. I'm going to double click on that. And if it's not showing up HD, you might need another wallpaper, because sometimes your computer doesn't register it as HD. So I'm just going to download something else and I'll be right back when it works. Yes, we found something that isn't blurry and it has fitted our desktop. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button and subscribe and leave a comment if you have enjoyed this video, and also join my Discord server, link in the description. Thank you. Bye.